Traditional whole home heating and cooling systems attempt to deliver conditioned air through long runs of ductwork from one central air handler. A new technology offers a multi-zone system, as the one being installed at the Barkdoll's new home in Victor, Idaho.
We started with a concept that we had found online and decided we needed to tweak it a little bit for our family's needs. The climate in Teton Valley is extreme, and that makes it even more important for, when we're outside playing or snowboarding and skiing up at Targhee. When we're at home, it needs to be comfortable, it needs to be warm, and we need it to be reliable. It's very important as a builder that this home, we created the spaces in a way that was not only functional but very efficient. In the extreme conditions we have here in Teton Valley, the heat's got to be there, the comfort's got to be there, and it's very important for my family and I to have clean, fresh air constantly throughout the house.
Research shows that homeowners today have a greater awareness of the importance of energy efficiency. Additionally, there's an increased demand for smart comfort and control solutions, as well as simplified installation and servicing.
Our systems at Mitsubishi Electric give you the ability to heat in sub-zero temperatures, and we have zoning capabilities that give comfort to every room in any home, any building, any place.
But we're able to give you heating down to -5 degrees, and we can give you a rated capacity down to -13. So there's no other product out there on the market that can do that. We're able to do that, especially in a cold climate like this. That's why we can keep you comfortable.
Homeowners, as well as contractors with an interest in energy efficiency, are looking into this technology because it gives them greater control integration, compact HVAC systems, and zoning capabilities.
The reason we like these units is, number one, they do a great job of keeping the house comfortable. Number two, they're super efficient with energy. And number three, Mitsubishi builds a great and provides us with a great product to provide that comfort for the homeowner.
In a home like this that has a basement, bonus space over the garage, it can be very difficult to distribute the system throughout the house. So the Mitsubishi ducted mini-split system was a great solution for us.
These systems can be customized to perfectly match the home.
So the units are known for being very quiet. Both the indoor and the outdoor units have very low decibel ratings, which means we can stand here and have a conversation as we're having right now, and this system is running at full speed right behind me. You don't hear it.
When the girls come home from school, the house is warm and already heated up. We're able to pull up the thermostat on our phones, make sure that the house is at the temperature that we'd like it to be, and have the confidence to know that the temperature hasn't dropped. We can monitor it, whether we're on an airplane or whether we're in another town, and that confidence is really important to our family.
Mitsubishi Electric is always bringing in innovative products to the market. We continually look at ways that we can actually improve the comfort levels in a home.
Mitsubishi Electric brings unmatched energy efficiency, performance, and control to home cooling and heating. It's never been easier to keep everyone in your house comfortable without spending a fortune on your energy bills.